Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to restart Windows Explorer. Alright, so first up, you can go ahead and right click on a blank space right here on your taskbar and just click on Task Manager. Now, if you can't see your taskbar right here, don't worry. You can just press Control Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. Again, Control plus Shift plus Escape. There you go. Here we have the Task Manager. Now, what you're going to do in here is just go ahead over to the Processes section, which is right here. Okay, now you can go ahead and find Windows Explorer. You can just right click on it and just click on Restart, wait for the process to finish, and you're good to go. Now, what if you can't find Windows Explorer? Okay, so what you'll do is go ahead and go to the top right, click on Run New Task. Okay, now in here, what you're going to do is just type down explorer.exe. And then once done, tick on Create this task with administrative privileges. Okay, and then hit on OK. And it will just restart your Windows Explorer. Now, if you can't access Task Manager this way, but you can go ahead and open up your terminal admin or even command prompt. Okay, run as administrator. You can go ahead and do that as well. Now just type down task kill. All right, again, task kill. Now hit on space /F space /IM space explorer.exe space and just like so. Okay, now hit on space start explorer. There you go. And then once that's done, just hit on enter. You can go and pause the video. All right, once done, again hit on enter. As you can see here, it's restarting my Windows Explorer. That's basically it. You can now go ahead and type down exit and you're good to go. That is how you restart your Windows Explorer. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.